In today's video, I am going to teach you how to count checked off items in Notion. If you track tasks, habits, or any checklist-style items in a Notion database, it's incredibly useful to see a quick total of how many boxes are checked on each row. We'll do that by adding a formula property that converts each check into a number, then sums them up. It's simple, clean, and updates automatically as you work. Start by opening the database where your checkboxes live. At the top of the database, click the plus button to add a new property. From the list of property types, choose Formula. Give this new property a clear name so it's easy to find later. Total checked works perfectly. You'll see a column appear for this property. And right now it's empty because it needs a formula. Next, click Edit Formula. The idea is to turn each checkbox into a number, so the formula can add them together. In Notion, a checkbox is either true or false. An if statement lets us say, if this box is checked, count it as 1. Otherwise count it as 0. For example, if you have two checkbox properties called checkbox 1 and checkbox 2, you can write, if prop checkbox 1, 1, 0 plus, if prop checkbox 2, 1, 0, each if returns 1 when the box is checked and 0 when it's unchecked. Adding them gives you the total checks for that row. A couple of quick tips while you type. Property names must match exactly, including spaces and capitalization. So make sure you reference them correctly inside the prop function. If you prefer not to type, you can often select properties from the formula editor's suggestions to avoid typos. And if you ever rename a checkbox later, remember to update the formula so it still points to the right properties. Once you apply the formula, the total checked column will immediately show a number for each row. Try toggling a few checkboxes on and off, and watch the total update in real time. This works independently for every row in your database, so each item shows its own count. If you have more than 2 checkboxes, simply extend the same approach by adding more plus if prop your checkbox name 1, 0 sections to the formula. 1 for each checkbox you want to include. That's all there is to it. You've turned simple checkboxes into a clear automatic count that keeps you informed at a glance and helps you stay organized without any manual tallying. Thanks for watching.